Thumbnail sketches are small, quick drawings that help you brainstorm and explore ideas without the pressure of creating a finished piece. Making them a daily habit can unlock your creativity, improve your drawing skills, and boost your confidence as an artist. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to thumbnail sketching, you'll start to see how this simple practice can help you generate new ideas, experiment with composition, and overcome creative blocks. It's an easy way to stay consistent with your art and make your sketchbook more dynamic. I've found that thumbnail sketching is one of the best habits an artist can develop. First, it's incredible for boosting creativity. The quick, small nature of thumbnails allows me to explore a variety of ideas without the pressure of making each one perfect. You can sketch several concepts in just a few minutes, which opens up a whole new level of creativity that you wouldn't get if you were focusing on just one idea. It helps you think outside the box and experiment with different layouts, shapes, and compositions without getting too attached to the outcome. Thumbnail sketching has also greatly improved my composition and design skills. Since I'm working on a smaller scale, I'm forced to really think about how I arrange elements on the page, what's working and what's not. It's like a mini workout for my brain, training me to be more thoughtful about how I approach each drawing. Over time, I've noticed that this practice has helped me make more confident choices in my larger, more finished drawings too. Also, thumbnails are a fantastic way to tackle that dreaded fear of the blank page. We've all been there, staring at a blank sketchbook, unsure of how to start. But with thumbnail sketches, that pressure disappears. Since these sketches are meant to be quick and rough, there's no expectation for them to be perfect. Starting small helps break through the mental block and gets the ideas flowing. It's a simple but powerful way to ease into drawing without worrying about the end result. It's surprisingly easy to fit thumbnail sketching into your day, and you don't need a lot of time to make it effective. I usually set aside just 10 to 15 minutes each day for this practice. It doesn't matter when, morning, lunch break, or right before bed. It's about consistency more than anything. This short daily session will help you stay connected to your creative process without feeling overwhelmed. Start with simple shapes or ideas. I often begin with quick lines or basic forms just to get the ball rolling. Don't overthink it. Pick something easy like an object around you or an idea you've had on your mind. It's all about getting your hand moving and your brain in the flow. Once you're comfortable, experiment with different subjects and layouts. One day I might focus on landscapes, and the next I'll try thumbnailing character poses or abstract compositions. You don't have to stick to one theme or style. Mix it up and let your imagination guide you. The goal is to have fun with it while building your skills, and you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in those few minutes a day. Here are a few practical tips that have helped me get the most out of my daily thumbnail sketching habit. First, keep your sketches small and quick. Don't get bogged down in details. Thumbnail sketches are all about capturing the essence of an idea. I try to keep each sketch to about 1 to 2 inches in size and limit myself to a couple of minutes per sketch. This way I can crank out several ideas in a short amount of time and avoid overthinking any one of them. Another tip is to use whatever materials you have on hand. Whether it's a pencil, pen, or even a ballpoint pen you found in a drawer, the tool doesn't matter as much as the process. I've sketched thumbnails on everything from scraps of paper to sticky notes when inspiration strikes. The point is to make the practice accessible and easy so you can keep it up daily without feeling like you need the right tools. Finally, don't worry about perfection. Thumbnails are meant to be rough, messy, and full of potential. The more you let go of the idea that every sketch has to be perfect, the more creative freedom you'll have. Focus on generating ideas, not refining them. You can always take one of your thumbnails and develop it into a more detailed piece later if something really sparks your interest. Just remember, it's all about practice and exploration, not producing finished art every time. Incorporating thumbnail sketching into your daily routine is a simple but powerful way to boost your creativity. Improve your drawing skills and overcome the pressure of perfection by setting aside just a few minutes each day. You can quickly generate new ideas, experiment with different layouts, and explore various subjects. The beauty of thumbnail sketches is that they keep you flexible and open to creative possibilities without taking up much time or requiring a lot of materials. With consistent practice, you'll notice how much this habit enhances your overall artistic process and helps you grow as an artist. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.